Belk Reviews Pricing explained what you get for your money. If you shop for department store apparel online, you've likely seen Interbrand, Belk Zero, but most people get this wrong. The price tag is always as clear as low cost, especially if you're ordering from abroad or factoring shipping. Here's the pricing scoop. Belk's pricing policy states their goal is top quality merchandise and excellent values at fair, competitive prices. They note that online price may vary over time and special offers may expire or change. What does that mean practically? Sale prices can be dynamic, and bagged items may change price later. You may see exclusions for certain brands or departments. What you get for your money: access to a large range, women's, men's, juniors, baby and home items. Established retail brand with in-store and online footprint, standard policies, and familiar interface. What you give up or need to check: if you're outside the US, international shipping or import duties may apply. Belk is eccentric. Some reviews highlight customer service and delivery issues. Ordered a sweater on sale, arrived late and defective is one such review. How to evaluate. 1. Check the item's regular price and sale price and see whether the discount is meaningful. 2. Confirm shipping duty to your location, for instance India, and how that affects landed costs. Pre-review exclusions in the sale fine print from Belk's policy. They list many exclusions under promotions. The surprising truth: even though Belk markets excellent value, the actual experience for international buyers or those relying purely on online sales may encounter extra costs or delays. In short, you may pay a sale price but get less value if total cost is high or service weak. In conclusion, if you're in the US or using standard shipping domestically, Belk can be a decent value department store online. If you're in India or abroad, compare the final total including shipping, duties and return policy before assuming you're getting a bargain. If you found this review helpful, subscribe for more real-world online shopping breakdowns.